First, the news that is coming up at the top of this hour. Delhi police has registered one more FIR as far as the Red Fort blast is concerned. This FIR is on sections of conspiracy. Delhi police has registered the FIR and the local police is following the explosion incident near Red Fort on 10th of November. So that's the news that is coming in. The original FIR that was filed by Delhi police under various sections of UAP and Explosives Act, that has been taken over by the National Investigation Agency, and NIA is re-registering and probing that angle. But Delhi police has gone ahead and registered a fresh FIR for conspiracy, essentially alleging that what happened in Red Fort was well thought out and well carried out. Ishan is also keeping an eye on this story because the origin of this story was in Jammu and Kashmir, and there is a Nogam police station blast angle to it as well. Ishan, Delhi police is probing the conspiracy charge. So now it is more or less certain that what happened in Red Fort was not accidental. It is not as if Umar was driving with an explosive-laden vehicle and suddenly it went off. Conspiracy charge in the FIR means police now believes this was well planned, well thought out, well timed.
Well, absolutely, Aurima. From the day one when the investigation began and the probe started, all fingers were pointing out at one direction, that it was a planned, pre-planned, orchestrated and designed plan to attack at a much larger level. But thanks to the J&K police's probe and investigating agencies who generated timely input and were able to tap in multiple resources and figure out that what the really plan was. But Umar was the only person who had gone out of their hands, but it was definitely a conspiracy where conspiracy was hatched to target as many civilians and injured as many as Indian citizens as possible to create mayhem and chaos. Intelligence sources had already indicated to your channel that this was basically a motive to destabilize the country and to ensure there are chaos, there is panic among people about whether attacks have really happened and multiple
Ishan,
plans.
will you give me a moment? Will you give me a moment? Because Anvit is also joining me on this story. Anvit, in fact, has that information and detail about the Delhi police investigation. Anvit, like Ishan and I were discussing, initially there were two theories. One, that Red Fort blast happened accidentally. Second, that it was well planned. But this charge of conspiracy now makes it clear that the investigators believe Umar knew what he was doing, the location that he chose, the time that he chose, everything was well thought out.
Yes, certainly, and it also clears it that was the detailed planning and how they have been planning it for a long time, because also the connections with the Faridabad module clearly says that how the planning had been being done or was being underway for 18 to 24 months, and even the doctor's module that has been busted, and the arrest string of arrests that have been made. It makes it very clear that all of them have been together, have been in touch with each other, and how they've been planning it for a long time. In fact, the role of Irfan that has emerged, Irfan Maulvi, and how we had been, using VIP or encrypted platforms to stay in touch with each other and update each other on their developments. And in fact, when Umar Nabi fled, and Faridabad police had also announced in their PC that Umar Nabi had escaped the raids. Even then, Umar Nabi said to have communicated to the rest of the module members that something big will happen. So this.
Okay, I lost that line with Anvit, but I'll go back to him. But like Anvit, me and Ishan were all discussing, the origin of this conspiracy is in Jammu and Kashmir.